Rain, Part 1. My love. For you, I wrote the book of love. I couldn't get enough of your beauty, your touch. Walked miles every day to be with you. Walked back with you. Walked you home. Walked back alone. You. The wind. Tomorrow. Oxygen. Ice. An ancient child, I'd broken my heart countless times before I laid eyes on you. And then I could not wait to do it again. You were worth every second. Perfect for each other at the time. Even though you are not the kind of man who can be my friend unless you have me, which stings, I would do it all again. I really loved you, and still do. Like I said when I saw your face change into an octopus and an old man, into every possible configuration, I will always love you. There for me, again and again, when it mattered, will never not matter, even though you cannot have me. For all of it, even when it was thankless, you were there, beside me, fielding the question, "Dude, what's up with your girlfriend's hair?" I told you the truth. I would never leave you for someone else. I had to leave, because you were killing me.